Can I actually buy a home with all these new tax benefits? First-time home buyers often overlook significant tax benefits that can make a huge difference in their financial journey. In this video, we'll break down exactly what you need to know to claim these huge tax breaks. Many first-time home buyers are unaware of or intimidated by the tax benefits available, often missing out on substantial savings due to lack of information. This is understandable, as tax codes and regulations can be complex. But I'm here to simplify it for you. By not taking advantage of these benefits, you could be leaving thousands of dollars on the table. The lack of awareness about tax benefits can lead to missed opportunities for savings. For instance, some benefits are only available if you file your taxes correctly. Others might require specific documentation or planning. Without the right guidance, it's easy to overlook these details. Understanding these tax benefits can seem daunting, but it's crucial for maximizing your savings. As a first-time home buyer, you're likely on a tight budget, and every dollar counts. By taking advantage of these benefits, you can reduce your taxable income and keep more money in your pocket. The good news is that there are resources available to help you navigate these tax benefits. With a little knowledge and planning, you can ensure you're not missing out on any savings. Let's dive into some specific tax benefits that can make a big impact. One of the most significant benefits is the mortgage interest deduction. This allows you to deduct the interest you pay on your mortgage from your taxable income. For example, if you have a $200,000 mortgage at a 4% interest rate, you could deduct $8,000 in interest payments from your taxable income. Another benefit is the property tax deduction. This allows you to deduct the property taxes you pay on your home from your taxable income. Depending on where you live, this could be a significant deduction. Some states and local governments also offer additional programs or credits for home buyers. For instance, some states offer a mortgage credit certificate program, which can provide a tax credit for a portion of your mortgage interest. This can be a great benefit for first-time home buyers who are looking to reduce their tax liability. The homebuyer credit is another benefit worth exploring. Although it's not available in all states, it can provide a significant tax credit for first-time home buyers. The mortgage interest deduction can save you around $1,000 to $2,000 annually on a $200,000 mortgage. When combined with other benefits, such as the property tax deduction, you could save even more. In a typical scenario, a first-time home buyer with a $200,000 mortgage and $3,000 in property taxes could save around $3,500 annually by taking advantage of these tax benefits. That's a significant amount of money that could go towards other expenses or savings. To maximize your savings, it's essential to understand the tax benefits available to you. By taking advantage of these benefits, you can reduce your taxable income and keep more money in your pocket. So, to recap, the key tax benefits for first-time home buyers include mortgage interest deductions, property tax deductions, and potential state and local programs. If you found this information helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home buying tips. Do you have any questions about tax benefits or the home buying process? Leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help.